give you my testimony. Oh, 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 oh. When I kill it the beat and kill it the heat, yo, hey, hey, hey. Yeah, all these ones are the book. That is if you want to buy anything for me. If I want to buy anything, so all these ones are the promo, all these ones are the new model stuff that they told me about. So they leave this, what are they calling it? Is this article? Okay, for new stuff that is around, that means we have to open them one after the other to check the new model stills. Let's go. The choice is yours, and the choice is mine. When I move your way tonight, hey, hey. When I move your way tonight. Okay, this is the second bag. You can see very, very classic and portable. When I move, let's go out together. Oh, your baby girl, shoes ready. Wait, this bag is very, very beautiful. This is the back and this is the front. Very, very portable and beautiful. This is the inside. Remove everything. Then, remove everything, all the paper to make the bag to be healthy and strong. This is inside. Then the middle, this is where you can keep a lot of stuff, maybe your wallet, everything. So this is the bag. But this bag is very, very classic and its quality. One of the things that I love most is the color, black and yellow. The color is very, very amazing. Then you walk like a classic woman that you have. Flink your hair, flink your beauty. They go out. But when else I get to Italy, we are going to talk more about this to an amazing bag. This one is made with Swarovski with black. Then why this one is made with yellow and black. Very, very amazing. This one is everyday bag for, for that classic woman. That classic woman that you have. This one is made for party. Any occasion, you can go with this. This one is everyday outing, dinner dates, lunch, blah, 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 blah. This is my birthday gift